Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm with the Samsung Galaxy S23 and I'm going to show you all the best. Currently when you take a photo you can focus on this button that is in front of me. Tap on the screen to focus and take a photo. When you click on the aspect ratio you can choose the 50 megapixel mode with 3004 aspect ratio. Select it and take the same photo of the button. The first photo was taken with normal mode and looks really good. But when you switch to the 50 megapixel mode, you can spot more details, especially in certain areas. Interestingly, there's also a different color balance on the photo. The 50 megapixel mode gave a slightly different white balance compared to normal mode. Zooming in shows more detail, but colors are different. There's another option with the volume buttons located on the right side. Click volume up or volume down to take photos. When you click and hold one of these buttons, you'll take a series of photos. You can take 100 photos in each series. In the gallery, you can slide through them like an animation. To save any of these photos, select them and click Save. You can delete all unselected pictures, then the saved photos appear in the gallery. You can change the function of these volume buttons in Settings. Go to Settings and scroll down to Shooting Methods. You can change them to zoom in or zoom out. This can hold volume up to smoothly zoom in, up to 30 times. Press and hold volume down to zoom out. For zooming, you have presets for ultra-wide 1x, 3x, and tapping on each unlocks 10x, 20x, and 30x zoom. A preview in the corner shows the zoom level. You can also pinch the screen with 2 fingers to zoom. For the shutter button, click and hold it to take a short video. Move your finger to the lock icon to keep recording without holding it. You can rotate to the selfie camera while the video is still recording. You can pause the video and use zoom features, then click to finish. Swipe down on the shutter button to take a burst shot or create a GIF. In settings under shooting methods, you can switch the swipe shutter function. For shutter delay, you can set a timer for group photos. The best aspect ratio to stay with is 3004 for the best quality. Enable motion photos to capture a short animation before taking the photo. In the gallery, it looks like a short animation. You can apply filters and adjust their strength. Tap the plus to download filters or create your own from a photo. For the face, you can turn on beauty effects like jawline, eyes, and skin tone adjustments. In settings, you can scan QR codes directly from the camera. You can also add a watermark to your photos with model name, date, time, and custom signature. In advanced video settings, you can enable HDR10+ videos and 360 audio recording. Enable grid lines and location tags for better composition. The grid lines help with better photo composition. There's also a small dot that helps you level the camera, turning yellow when level. You can take photos using voice commands like smile, cheese, capture shot, or record video. The floating shutter button appears on screen for easier access. Drag it back to the main shutter to unlock it. Voice shutter works well on the Galaxy S23. In more modes, there's single take mode. It records a 10-15 second video and generates multiple outputs like hyperlapse, slow motion, and photos. You can see the full list of modes that single take creates. After recording, wait for processing to get all the outputs. You can get multiple modes from one single take.